Good morning, boys and girls, teachers and staff. Today is Wednesday, October 17th, with some morning announcements for you today. Don't have any October birthdays for announcements for today, but I do have a couple of them tomorrow, so look for and listen for your name tomorrow. Lunch choices. We have cheese quesadilla, chicken patty sandwich, or fiesta salad with tortilla chips. And I do have some kindergarten students here to help out with our pause for today to talk about bullying.
All right, boys and girls, it is time for our pause. And this week and also this month, we've been talking about bullying and what you can do if you are being bullied or if you see somebody being bullied.
If someone fighting you, you have to tell them a grown up. When somebody falls, don't laugh at them. When somebody falls, you help them up. Don't laugh at them back. No hitting. Don't laugh at them when they fall.
Good job, boys and girls. That is all great advice about how you can help a friend if they're being bullied and what you need to do to tell an adult.
All right, at this time, let's please take a moment of silence. And if you could please stand for our Pledge of Allegiance.
All right, boys and girls, it's time for our Pledge of Allegiance. So please make sure that you're standing and have your hand over your heart.
I pledge allegiance to the flag of the United States of America and to the republic for which it stands, one nation, under God, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Great job, boys and girls. Thank you very much. Great job by kindergarten for today for our pledge and our pause. So, boys and girls, let's make sure we have a great day. Remember, the choices are yours. So let's make some good ones. So let's go out there and show what Perry Pride is all about today.